Today I'm going to talk about a healthy breakfast option, and I'm going to tell you some things that's going to absolutely change your life. Now, I did a webinar of 300 people, and most people, 80% almost, ate Poha and Upma for breakfast on a regular basis. Now, I'm going to talk about oats today. Now, there are different types of oats. There's rolled oats, there's instant oats, and there's oat bran. Now, what Hannah has here is the cooked version, and this is oat bran. Now, oat bran, why is it better? It's the shell, it's the husk of the oats. It has about 40 to 50% more fiber. It has about 50% more protein than the regular oats. It has antioxidant, it has minerals. It is a fantastic way to start your day. Now you can make it as tasty as Hannah has made it. You can I put grated sugar, coconut, I put some coconut sugar, I put some nut mix. It doesn't have to, you can put cinnamon. And cinnamon, yes. Did you put some cinnamon?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can spice it up, make it tasty the way you want it. But the reason to eat it is because it has tremendous health benefits. A lot of people start eating oats when they get diagnosed with cholesterol or diabetes, but it's not then when you start eating good healthy breakfast. It's when you are healthy you eat oats, because that actually helps with digestion. It helps to lower cholesterol levels. It is a fantastic way to start the day, because those mid-morning hunger pangs can be eliminated if you eat the right breakfast. You want some more of this?
No, I took a lot.
If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.